Hi everyone, today I am going to show how to install and set up a virtual environment in your PC in just 3 simple steps. Okay, first you need to open command prompt and check whether Python is installed in your PC. Let's just type Python space hyphen hyphen and then version. As you can see, Python 3.0 is already installed in my PC. Now let's use pip command. Okay, pip install virtual env. Okay, and now press enter. Okay, as you can see, it is already installed in my PC. It will take less than a minute to install virtual environment, and let's create a virtual environment. For that, you just need to type mk virtual env space and the name you would like to give to your virtual environment. For example, let's say test, anything it may be. Okay, it may take less than a minute to install the virtual environment. Okay, and we will use pip command to install all the libraries in Python. Okay, and the virtual environment is a library by which we can create a virtual environment in our PC. Okay, let's just hold a minute. There you go. As you can see, test and then see users public. Now we are in the virtual environment. Let's check the Python. Okay, Python version. Okay, Python space hyphen and then version. There you go, Python 3.8.0. and this is how you create the virtual environment in your PC. And if you need to come out of it, you just need to type deactivate. Okay, and now press enter. There you go. This is how you come out of the virtual environment. Okay, that's all for how to install and set up a virtual environment. If you like this video, please like. Thank you.